Well, good morning, everybody. This is the life of a farmer. This is the bright and early this morning, 4:20. Time for a bong hit, but time to feed the birds. So I'm coming out. This is what I do each and every morning. At about this time, first I'm gonna feed the ducks. The ducks need some food. We'll feed the ducks because they have. There's feeding the ducks over there. I gotta get another scoop to feed the chickens. Chickens get a big scoop. Chickens get a big scoop. Oh. And I come out to the chicken coop. Coming out to the chicken coop in the dark. It's dark out here right now. So I'll keep talking to keep you guys entertained. But here's the coop. Now I gotta open up the pen. You can't see me doing this, but I got some locks to undo. Make sure I protect my birds at night. That nobody comes in here and eats my chickens. Make sure nobody comes in here and eats my chickens. Now, it's still too dark to see anything. Too dark to see anything. They've been fed. If you listen, that's the coop. Okay, now we'll close this up. Close the coop up, the pen up. Put this back there. I'm sorry this is so dark and moving around, but we're feeding the birds at 4 o'clock in the morning and the sun ain't coming up yet because it's early. Now we'll be back into the lighted area. Chickens are fed. The ducks are fed. I just got to give the ducks some fresh water in their little water bowl. They got a pond that I filter and I change the water like once a week. So I try to keep it as clean as possible. But ducks are dirty birds. They are so dirty. They just make me look. I got fire. It's a little chilly out there today. The ducks are dirty birds. Oh, crash, bang, boom. That's my morning. My morning is a crash, bang, boom. Okay. Here we go. Giving them some fresh water. And then we'll let the birds out. Who let the birds out? We'll give them some fresh water in the thing. Because they mix their food with the water. It helps the digestion system, I guess. Let's see who's coming out this morning. Let's see, we'll let the ducks out. The chickens are always free to come in and out as they will. They go in at night. The ducks don't. Here they come. No name. And here comes Tweety. Priest. They're going to do the slide. Do the slide. Slide. No, they did the waddle this morning. Showed them where the food is. Good morning, ladies. Where's my birdies? Where's my birdies? These are my good birdies. They love me. I love my birds. So, like and subscribe if you like birds. Look at her wiggle her tail. She's so happy. Alright, again, like and subscribe if you like the birds. Peace and love.